OpenAI just released O1 Preview. Let's find out how we can access it within OpenAI's playground and overall see if this model is any good. Sound good? Let's jump in. Let's get to it, y'all. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this O1 Preview. I plan on doing more in-depth videos later this week, so make sure to subscribe and check those out. First off, how do I even get access to it? Right now, if you have a ChatGPT Plus account, and I believe possibly a free account, it is available for testing. When you come up here, you can simply hit Select, O1 Preview, O1 Mini. Now, if you're like, Corbin, I want to see this thing at its best. What its best potential is, that's going to be O1 Preview for you. As a side note, the reason that there's typically O1 Preview and O1 Mini is like, why do they do that? Like, who cares? Is more in the developer context. Usually developers will access O1 Mini because it's more cost effective at scale when accessing AI through a software or application. If you want the best one, go with O1 Preview. Now, what's always cool about using these kind of models is that we can talk to them how we've talked to them in the past. So for example, we'll try some quick code here, see how it does. Build out a React-based landing page, include the JS and CSS file, give all the code. Boom. It is crafting the essentials. It is mapping out the files. What's cool is you can always click this, see what it's thinking before it gives an output. Whoa. I'm gonna have to do more videos on this. This is probably one of the most impressive outputs I've seen from ChatGPT in a while. Now, not impressive in the sense of like, that's not that much code, Corbin. Like, why do you care? More impressive in the sense of like, it's going the extra mile here. First off, it's getting file structure. If you don't know what that is, it's basically how it's stored in a repository. And yeah, this is extremely impressive, y'all. It's even going as far as how to set up a project. We can obviously circumnavigate that if we have custom instructions because we'll be able to laser in the answers better. So if you want a video on that, check it out right there. More videos to come here. One other thing to note, if you want the attachment feature, which allows us to attach PDFs, images, and everything above the board in that manner, it only works with ChatGPT 4.0 and GPT-4. If I click O1 Preview, it's gone. Now, if you're a developer and you want to access this through API, you have to have up to this point a usage tier 5 within your OpenAI account. If you want to know what usage tier you're currently at, go to your settings here, go to limits, and it'll say it right there. I would encourage you to check it out anyways. You might be a usage tier 3 and still have access to it, but from here, we have access to it right away. I can simply scroll up here and select and start playing around. I'll do some videos on this as well, so make sure to subscribe. What do y'all think? You've been using it? You haven't been using it? Are you like Corbin? This feels like GPT 3.5. Make sure to stay tuned here. Make sure to leave a like. It's completely free. It helps me out on this channel. And I'm going to do a ton of videos on this O1 Preview model as there has been a lot of hype around it. There's been a lot of hype on X and all these different social media platforms building hype around O1. So let's see if O1 is number one. And I'll do a ton of videos on it, showing you how to leverage it in your business and automation, software, applications, everything above the board. I'll see you in those videos. These videos are based off YouTube and the way YouTube interacts with you. You like them? I'll see you in the next video.